If you want a simple way to stop forgetting tasks and start keeping your work organized, Todoist Inbox is one of the best places to begin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the inbox in Todoist the right way so you can capture ideas fast, clear out clutter, and organize your tasks in just a few minutes every day. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. First, let's talk about the main idea. Your inbox is not a final storage place, it is your capture space. The moment an idea, chore, reminder, or project comes to mind, do not waste time trying to decide where it belongs. Don't sort it, don't schedule it, and don't overthink it. Just get it into your inbox as quickly as possible. That way you can trust yourself to remember it later, and you can keep moving without losing focus. On a computer, the fastest way to add something is by pressing the Q key to open Quick Add. Once the Quick Add box appears, type your task exactly how you want it saved. Then press Enter, and Todoist automatically sends it straight to your inbox. This is the fastest way to capture tasks when you're working at your desk. You can do this for anything: a bill you need to pay, an email you need to send, groceries you need to buy, or a big project idea that you don't want to forget. The key is speed. Capture first, organize later. Now here's the part that keeps Todoist useful long term. Never let your inbox become a permanent storage locker. If tasks sit there forever, it stops being helpful and starts becoming overwhelming. The best habit is to set aside just 5 minutes every morning or every evening to empty it out. This process is sometimes called processing your inbox, and it's where the magic happens. Go through each item one by one and make a decision. There are 3 main choices you can make. First, if the task is no longer relevant, delete it. On a computer, hover over the task and press delete to remove it. This is important because not everything you capture needs to stay. If it no longer matters, clear it out right away. Second, if the task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. Then click the check mark to mark it as done. This is a great way to reduce mental clutter fast. If something is quick and easy, don't keep it sitting in your inbox. Just finish it and then move on. Third, if the task still matters, organize it properly. This is where Todoist shortcuts can save you a lot of time. When you're processing your inbox on a computer, you can use a few quick keyboard shortcuts to sort tasks much faster. If you want to move a task to a specific folder or project, type the # symbol into the task line. You can also press V while a task is highlighted to move it to a project. This is really helpful when you're sorting several tasks at once and want to stay in a fast workflow. If you need to set a due date, press D to open the Scheduler calendar grid. That makes it easy to choose the right day without clicking around through menus. And if you want to mark a task as more or less important, use P1, P2, or P3 to set the priority. P1 is the highest priority, P2 is medium, and P3 is lower priority. These shortcuts make inbox processing much faster. And once you get used to them, you'll be able to organize everything in seconds. So the simple workflow is this: capture everything into inbox, review it daily, delete what you don't need, complete quick tasks right away, and organize the rest with shortcuts. That's how you keep Todoist clean, manageable, and actually useful. If you follow this habit consistently, you'll feel more in control of your tasks and spend less time wondering what to do next. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you learn how to use Todoist Inbox better, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step productivity tutorials. See you in the next video.